Friends, our next topic is the swing buttons. Swings provide four types of buttons. So the four types of buttons are J button, J toggle button, J checkbox, J radio button. So these are the four types of buttons provided by the every swing. So now we look at J button. So our topic is J button. So J button provides the functionality of a push button. It provides the functionality of a push button. Okay. So J button allows us to create text or icon based buttons. Okay, so J button allows us to text button or icon button or text and icon based buttons. Okay, so that are to be associated with the push button. So J button allows the following constructors. Okay, so J button అనేది, so simply this is a button, for example OK button, cancel button laga. సో వీటిని క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి మనం జే బటన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో విత్ ఇన్ దిస్ బటన్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఓకే. సో ఓకే ఈస్ ది టెక్స్ట్. విత్ ఇన్ దిస్ బటన్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ క్యాన్సల్ ఈస్ ది టెక్స్ట్. వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో క్రియేట్ ఐకాన్ బేస్డ్ బటన్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ assume that is a icon, this is a button. In this button we are taking one icon, for example ఇది icon అనుకోండి. So means this is the icon based button, this is the text based button. Now J button constructors. So the J button constructors are J button string str, J button icon, J button. So combination of above two, string str comma icon. So these three are the constructors. So first one, J button creates a first J button constructor creates a button with predefined text contained in the str string. Okay, for example we are creating a button like this, J button Srinu. Okay, so it creates a button labeled with the Srinu, means inside the button Srinu is placed. Okay, so this is the first constructor. So here we are not taking string, means here we don't need to take a string dot type here. String str is nothing but the value is of string type. Next is J button icon. For example J button icon is nothing but icon will be obtained by using the image icon class. Means icon is nothing but one image. So దీనికోసం మన image icon class ని యూజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. So we will look at that one in our program. So next J button string str icon. So this is the combination of these two. Okay, now so when a button is pressed, when a push button or button is pressed, an action event is generated, లేదా an event is generated. Okay, when a button is pressed, an action event is generated. So here action event is generated. Okay, so this action event object is passed as a argument to the action performed method. We pass action event object as a parameter to the action performed method. So action performed method is method of the action listener interface. So we obtain the action command string associated with the buttons. Okay, so means we obtain the action command strings, action command string associated with the button. So what is action command string? By default the action command string is the label or name inside a button. So action command string is a label or name inside a button. Okay, so for ఇక్కడ చూసాం మనం ఓకే. సో ఓకే ఈజ్ ది లేబుల్ ఆర్ నేమ్. సో దిస్ ఓకే ఈజ్ ది యాక్షన్ కమాండ్ స్ట్రింగ్. cancel is the name of this button, this cancel is the action command string. So we can set the action command by using set action command method. Okay, we can set the action command for the button by using set action command button. Okay, set action command method. So for example, set action command, here in this we are taking OK. So OK button will be created. Okay, so we are setting the button by using set action command method on button object, on button object or on button. So we can also obtain the action command string by using get action command, by using get action command method. సో మనకు ఓకే అనే బటన్ ఉంది. సో ఓకే అనే బటన్, ఈ బటన్లో ఉన్న స్ట్రింగ్ ఏంటి? ఓకే. సో ఓకే అనే స్ట్రింగ్ రావాలంటే వీ యూజ్ గెట్ యాక్షన్ కమాండ్. సో ద నేమ్ ఇస్ టెల్స్ us that we are getting action command by using get action command. Action command is nothing but name of the button, means okay. Okay, so after this so for that we use string get action command method. Okay, for example, when our program, when we are using two or more buttons, okay, when we are using two or more buttons within the same application, okay, the action command gives you an easy way to identify or to determine which button was pressed. Okay, for example, we are using two or more buttons in our program. So in this way the action command, okay, the action command is used to get which button was pressed. Okay, means the easiest way to identify which button was pressed is to use the action command. Okay, is to use the action command. For example, మీ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఒక 3 or 4 బటన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఏ బటన్ని మనం ప్రెస్ చేసాము అనేది మనం డిటర్మైన్ చేయొచ్చు బై యూజింగ్ యాక్షన్ కమాండ్. ఓకే, బై యూజింగ్ గెట్ యాక్షన్ కమాండ్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకుందాము. ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందనే మనం ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూద్దాము. సో I have already typed the program. So we know that input java.awt.star, awt.event.star string. So we know all these packages in our previous classes, from our previous classes. Public class JButtonDemo. JButtonDemo is our class. Here it is implementing action listener interface. Okay, because we are pressing the button, in that case some listener must listen that action event. So that listener is action listener. So we will look at this in our in-depth program, in our program. So JLab. Okay, initially we are creating a JLabel. Okay, JLab. So label ni create cheyadaniki we use JLabel. So JLab అనే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసాము. సో బిఫోర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ we are creating an object for the JLabel. So why? So అది ఎందుకు అనేది we will look. JFrame JFRM equals new JFrame a button demo. Okay, so a button demo frame ni create చేస్తున్నాము. The frame title is a button demo. We know, so we know set layout and set default close operation jframe.exe. we know this also, and JFRM. So the size of the frame 320 in pixel, 320 pixels of width, 180 pixels of height. Image icon imgic equals new image icon. So here we are creating icons by using image icon class. Okay, so image icon class యూజ్ చేయడం ద్వారా మనం ఇమేజెస్ని ఐకాన్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ద ఐకాన్ ఈస్ ఇన్ D drive. Okay, img_0185.jpg. this is the icon or image that will be stored in imgic. Then we are passing this imgic as a parameter to the JButton constructor. So JButton, we are creating a button here. So JButton constructor is here. This is the JButton constructor. We have already we have already discussed JButton constructors here. ఇక్కడ చెప్పుకున్నాము JButton string str icon చూడండి. JButton, this is the string and this is the icon. So icon is actually retrieved by using this. So this icon will be stored in imgic. Now imgic is having icon. This is the icon and this is the string. Okay, string and icon. So means we are creating a button. Okay, with the text and icon. ఓకే, వీఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ అ బటన్ విత్ టెక్స్ట్ అండ్ ఐకాన్. మనం ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్నాము, బటన్ ఒక బటన్లో మనకి టెక్స్ట్ మరియు ఐకాన్ రెండు వస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో జేబీ డాట్ యాడ్ యాక్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దిస్. ఓకే, వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ మెనీ buttons in this program, that's why we are taking add action is not this. Whenever we press a button of this, an action event is generated. That action event is listened by this add action listener method. So that is why this, so this is nothing but this listens this button action event. Okay, so next jfrm dot add jb. So we are adding jb. Jb is nothing but button. We are adding button to the frame. Okay, next so imgic. So again image icon class object is imgic. So we are not taking an image icon again here because we have already used in our in previous line. So that's why we are not taking image icon again. imgic new image icon d image d drive lo unna img underscore 0185.jpg. We are retrieving, we are taking or we are including this image. So this image will be stored in imgic again. So all the 4 lines are same in our remaining lines. Okay, these 4 lines are same in our remaining lines. So observe these 4 lines and these 4 lines, both are equal. Okay, except okay, both are equal. Okay, except string. Okay, so button create చేస్తున్నాం మళ్ళీ. jb is nothing but j button. So we have already created object in our previous line, that's why we are not taking j button here. So new j button friend. So the text of the button, okay, the text inside the button is friend and the image or icon inside the button is imgic. Means this image will be located inside the button and this text will be located inside the button. Okay, so next we are adding action listener this. Okay, same action listener this, action listener this. Whenever you press button, this action event must be listened by this action listener. That's why action listener this jfrm.add jb, same step. So we are adding button to the frame. Same similar steps are observed here. Okay, so same image underscore 0186. So we changed the image. Okay, we also changed text. Okay, so same, so in a similar way lecturer. Okay, so the text is teacher, friend, student and lecturer. Okay, and images are also here 0185 and the same image. You can take any kind of images. Okay, so here I am taking 2 images. Here the 2 images are same. Okay, so the lack of images in my laptop, so that's why I am taking the same image for 2 j buttons. Okay, so here the image is different and here also different one. So next jlab, new jlabel. So jlab, okay, so here the jlab label. Okay, label ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకుంటున్నాము. సో న్యూ jlabel, ఒక లేబుల్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసాం. సో హియర్ ద లేబుల్ string is empty. Okay, we are not taking any predefined label. Okay, so jfrm.add jlab, we are also adding a jlab, means this jlabel to the frame. Okay, next jfrm.set visible to, we know this line. So this is the most important line in our program. Without this we cannot watch or we cannot observe, we cannot identify our output. Okay, because here the value is true. True is nothing but the output will be displayed, the frame will be displayed. Okay, false is not, by default the set visible parameter is false. We are setting it true, we are setting it to the true. Okay, so the frame will be displayed. So public void action performed action event, we already discussed this in our starting of the j button discussion. Okay, so when you press, again I am saying or again I am discussing, when you press button, an action event is generated. That action event is passed as parameter, that action event object AE is passed as parameter to the action performed method. So means this action is handled by the action performed method. Means this is also known as action handler, means event handler. This is also known as event handler. Okay, so action performed is the method of the action listener interface. Okay, సో మనం బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేసినప్పుడు దాన్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తుంది. ఏది హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తుంది? యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్డ్ హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, యాక్షన్ ఈవెంట్ అనే ఈవెంట్ని యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్డ్ అనే మెథడ్ హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తుంది? సో బై డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ సమ్ మెసేజెస్, బై డూయింగ్ సంథింగ్, it handles the events. Means by displaying text, it is handling the action event. Okay, so how it is displaying the text? So JLab.setText, okay, you selected. So setText is a method which sets the text to the JLabel. ఓకే, లేబుల్కి ఇది టెక్స్ట్ని సెట్ చేస్తుంది. ఏ టెక్స్ట్ని? యూ సెలెక్టెడ్ అనే టెక్స్ట్ని సెట్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే యూ సెలెక్టెడ్ అనే టెక్స్ట్ మనకు లేబుల్ లాగా డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. దానికి వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ AE.get action command. ఓకే, గెట్ యాక్షన్ కమాండ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం చెప్పుకున్నాము. ఓకే, ఇట్ రిట్రీవ్స్ ది యాక్షన్ కమాండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది బటన్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకే అనే బటన్ ఉంటే ఓకే అనే యాక్షన్ కమాండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ని ఇది రిట్రీవ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే ఇట్ హ్యాండిల్స్ ది ఈవెంట్. ఓకే, యాక్షన్ ఈవెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ పబ్లిక్ స్టార్ environment string arguments, we know that. So again I am saying, so here the object, runnable object is created on the event dispatching thread. Okay, so here J button demo. So whenever control comes to here, it will move to the J button demo constructor, and all the statements in this J button demo constructor will be executed. Okay, so we are JLabs.setText. Okay, సో JLabని మనం ఇక్కడ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ బిఫోర్ వేసుకున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే మనం అవుట్ సైడ్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దట్ JLab outside the constructor. So that's why we have not taken within the constructor. For example, if you take within the constructor, then it will display error. Okay, so run this program. So go to command prompt. So I saved in advanced Java lab program. So Java C jbutton.demo.java, compile successfully, then I am executing Java. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనకు, so this is our output. So here teacher image teacher. So this is the icon and this is the text associated with the button. So this is the entire, so ఇది మొత్తాన్ని కూడా మనం ఏమంటున్నాం, ఇది ఒక బటన్, ఇది మొత్తం కూడా ఒక బటనే. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ బటన్, ఐకాన్ అండ్ టెక్స్ట్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ బటన్, ఐకాన్, టెక్స్ట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ బటన్. ఇట్ డిస్ప్లేస్ 4 buttons. ఓకే, so the program displays 4 buttons with the text and icons. Okay, so here I am pressing this button. So whenever you press button, an action event is generated. That action event is handled by the action listener. Okay, so means action performed handles this action event. Means when you press this one, so label associated with this button will be displayed here. Okay, so teacher. So here the label, you selected teacher. So here, okay, you selected A.get action command. Okay, so manam we are pressing teacher button. So that's why this text will be displayed here. Get action command retrieves the name of the button. Okay, so name of the button or string associated with the button. So teacher. So I am pressing friend. Okay, you selected friend. I am pressing lecturer button. Okay, you selected lecture. For example, I want to display only text inside the button. So for that, remove image. So look at this. So I am removing image. Okay, for example, I am removing image for the second button. So here remove imgic. Okay, then so here remove this imgic. Here I am giving only friend text for the J button. So this is the first constructor we already discussed, J button string str. Okay, now save this one, file, save. So close this one and again execute the program. Java C, file name Java space file name. So look here, first button, second button, third button and fourth button. So I changed so I have changed the second button, means I removed the image associated with the second button. So I included only text, okay, action command string associated with the button. So I am pressing friend button, okay. So you selected friend. So in this way I am removing all the images. For that, so look here, delete, then 1 2 3, okay. So this is a simple JButton program without image icons or without icons, okay. So again try to execute the program. Java C file name.java, java space file name. So look here, so 4 buttons, okay, teacher, friend, student, lecture. Now it seems good, means without images we created buttons. So you can write any program, either this one or before this, okay. So write this program or before changes are made, so write that program, okay, means the program with image icons, okay. You can write the program with image icons or without image icons, remember this one. So try to write this program in your notes, okay. So this is the program without image icons. So in our previous changes, means before changed our program, so there are image icons, all right, that one, okay. So remember, so here teacher, so I am pressing the teacher button. The label associated with the teacher button is you selected teacher, and friend, so you selected friend, student, you selected student, lecture, you selected lecture, okay. So try to write this program because this is simple without any image icons. So thank you.